Hello and welcome to the session. Operating in a global context LO4. Understand how operating in a global market impacts a business. How does a business thrive in a global market? Understanding the complexities of international trade, culture, and competition is crucial. This video explores the impacts of operating globally on business structure, culture, and strategy. The McKinsey 7S model is essential for analyzing organizational design. It focuses on 7 elements: structure, strategy, skill, system, shared values, style, and staff. These elements are interconnected, meaning changes in one affect the others. Shared values are central, influencing all other components. This model helps in achieving organizational effectiveness. Hofstede's cultural dimensions theory aids in understanding cultural differences. It covers 6 dimensions: power distance, uncertainty avoidance, individualism, collectivism, masculinity, femininity, long-term orientation, and indulgence versus restraint. Each dimension highlights how societies handle power, uncertainty, and individual roles. This framework is vital for cross-cultural communication. It guides businesses in adapting to cultural norms. Sustainability is a key consideration in global business operations. Companies must balance economic growth with environmental responsibility. This involves reducing carbon footprints and promoting sustainable practices. Global consumers increasingly favor brands with strong sustainability commitments. Businesses must integrate sustainability into their core strategies. Global operations demand effective international leadership. Leaders must navigate diverse cultural landscapes and manage multinational teams. This requires cultural sensitivity and adaptability. International management strategies must align with global objectives while respecting local practices. Successful leaders foster collaboration and innovation across borders. Operating globally impacts a company's strategic capabilities. Businesses must adapt strategies to meet international market demands. This involves understanding local consumer preferences and competitive dynamics. Strategic flexibility is crucial for responding to global challenges. Companies must balance global consistency with local adaptation. Global operations require efficient resource allocation. Businesses must decide where to invest resources like capital and talent. This involves assessing market potential and risks. Effective allocation optimizes global operations and drives growth. Companies must continually evaluate and adjust resource distribution. Businesses must consider their environmental impact globally. This includes reducing emissions and waste. Sustainable practices can enhance brand reputation and compliance with regulations. Companies must innovate to minimize environmental harm. Global operations should prioritize eco-friendly solutions. Risk management is crucial in global markets. Businesses face risks like currency fluctuations and political instability. Effective strategies involve identifying and mitigating these risks. Companies must develop contingency plans and diversify operations. Proactive risk management ensures business continuity. Global factors influence operational strategies. Marketing, human resources, and leadership practices vary by country. Companies must tailor strategies to fit local contexts. This requires understanding cultural and regulatory differences. Successful operations balance global efficiency with local relevance. Thorough market research is vital for global success. It identifies target markets and consumer preferences. Understanding local competitors and cultural nuances is key. Research guides market entry strategies and product localization. Companies must invest in ongoing market analysis. Choosing a market entry strategy is a critical decision. Options include exporting, licensing, and joint ventures. The choice depends on factors like risk tolerance and resources. Companies must evaluate market conditions and potential returns. A well-planned entry strategy enhances global success. Localization is crucial for global market success. It involves adapting products and marketing to local cultures. Language translation and pricing adjustments are common. Localization enhances customer satisfaction and brand acceptance. Companies must balance global consistency with cultural relevance. Compliance with local laws is essential in global markets. Businesses must navigate trade policies and industry standards. This includes customs, tariffs, and import regulations. Non-compliance can lead to fines and reputational damage. Companies must stay informed and adaptable. Global supply chain management ensures efficient operations. It involves sourcing materials and managing logistics. Companies must handle customs clearance and distribution. Effective supply chains reduce costs and improve service. Businesses must adapt to global supply challenges. Establishing distribution channels is vital for global sales. This can involve partnerships with local distributors or retailers. E-commerce platforms are increasingly important. Distribution strategies must align with market needs. Companies must optimize channels for efficiency. Cultural sensitivity is key in global business. Understanding local customs and communication styles builds trust. Respect for cultural differences enhances business relationships. Companies must train employees in cultural awareness. This fosters successful international collaborations. Global marketing requires tailored campaigns. Advertising and branding must resonate with local audiences. Companies should align promotions with local values. This involves adapting messaging and channels. Effective marketing drives global brand success. Excellent customer service is crucial in global markets. This includes multilingual support and local feedback mechanisms. Companies must respond to cultural nuances in service. Customer satisfaction drives loyalty and market success. Businesses must prioritize responsive and tailored support. Ethical business practices are essential globally. Companies must operate responsibly and align with local standards. Corporate social responsibility enhances brand reputation. Ethical operations foster trust and long-term success. Businesses must integrate ethics into their global strategies. In conclusion, operating in a global market has a significant impact on businesses in terms of strategy, operations, and performance. Global operations can create opportunities for growth, increased market reach, and access to international resources, while also presenting challenges such as cultural differences, regulatory requirements, and economic risks. Understanding these impacts enables businesses to develop effective strategies, manage risk, and remain competitive in a global environment. Successfully navigating global markets supports long-term sustainability and organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688.